Welcome to a sim code. Pandas, reading and writing data. Pandas is a powerful Python library for data manipulation and analysis. It provides a wide range of tools for reading and writing data in various formats, including CSV, Excel, JSON, HTML, SQL, and NoSQL databases. These I/O input, output tools enable seamless data transfer between different storage formats, making it easier to work with data from multiple sources. Key features: read and write data in structured formats like CSV, Excel, and SQL. Handle semi-structured data like JSON and XML. Support for large datasets using HDF5 and NoSQL databases like MongoDB. Efficient data manipulation and transformation capabilities. Pandas simplifies data analysis by providing a consistent API for working with diverse data sources, making it an essential tool for data scientists and analysts. Reading CSV files. CSV files store tabular data as plain text. Pandas provides the read_CSV function for efficient loading, handling missing values, and parsing dates automatically. Writing data to CSV. Data can be saved as a CSV file using the to_CSV function. The index parameter controls whether to include row indices. Reading HTML files. Pandas can extract tables from HTML using read_HTML, making it useful for web scraping and data extraction. JSON data handling. JSON is a structured text format widely used in web applications. Pandas provides read_JSON and to_JSON for efficient handling. HDF5 format. HDF5 is designed for large datasets requiring fast read/write access. Pandas integrates with Pytables for seamless HDF5 storage. Pickle serialization. Pickle allows saving and loading Python objects efficiently. It is useful for persisting machine learning models and intermediate results. SQLite 3 database. SQLite is a lightweight database used for local storage. Pandas provides to_SQL for easy integration. PostgreSQL and Docker. PostgreSQL is a powerful relational database. Using Docker simplifies deployment and scalability for analytics and applications. MongoDB NoSQL database. MongoDB is a document-oriented NoSQL database. Pandas can store and retrieve structured data efficiently using PyMongo. XML data handling. XML is a markup language used for storing and transporting data. The XML itree.elementtree module in Python provides tools for parsing and creating XML data. Reading Excel files. Excel files are widely used for storing tabular data. Pandas provides the read_Excel function to load data from Excel files into data frames. Writing data to Excel. Data can be saved to Excel files using the to_Excel function. The sheet_name parameter specifies the sheet name, and index controls whether to include row indices. Conclusion. Pandas provides a rich set of tools to read and write data in various formats, from structured SQL, Excel, to semi-structured JSON, XML, and unstructured formats, Pickle, NoSQL. Mastering these methods allows seamless data manipulation across multiple sources.